You may find that a third-party software program like ExamView to be far more efficient at creating tests than Moodle's own web-based interface. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a test in ExamView, drawing on Norton's test banks and your own questions, and then I'll show you how to edit that test and import it into the Moodle environment. The first thing that you'll need is to download a copy of ExamView for your particular Norton textbook. You can go to www.norton.com/NRL and find your discipline and textbook, or you can just ask your Norton sales rep for a free installation disk. You'll want to also launch a web browser, and once that's been once installed, you're going to open your copy of ExamView. When you launch ExamView, find the menu bar and select File and then Quick Test Wizard from the menu. You can also select New Test. Next, give your test a name. We'll just call this Moodle Import Chapter 1 Demo. Okay. Now, next, choose one or more test banks, your choice, and hit the Next button. Next, choose the number of questions you'd like. You can always choose different questions. This Quick Test Wizard is just a way for you to get started. Finally, after the review screen, select Finish. ExamView will now create your test and your answer key. Once you have a test, you can edit it as you please. You can edit questions by double-clicking the question itself. You can change answers, rephrase the question, or even edit the answer choices. You may add additional questions as well. From the menu, choose Select and While Viewing. This is the most visual and efficient way of choosing questions, but you may also filter out for specific criteria. You may also add your own questions. To do that, go to Question and New to see all of the many options you have for adding your own questions. When you've made all your edits to ExamView, you're ready to save it, print it by exporting it as an RTF file, or creating an export file that can be uploaded to a variety of learning management systems. Currently, uploading a test created in ExamView to Moodle involves a small but fairly easy hack. Here's how you do it. When you're satisfied with your ExamView test, go to File, then Export, and choose Blackboard 6.0 to 7.0. Next, just follow the prompts. Give your export file a name and save it to your desktop. Fill out the name, description field, and directory name that you see here. The directory name can be anything. Now, go to your desktop and unzip the file you just saved. This is really important. Inside that unzipped folder is a .dat file, and you're going to need to access that a little bit later. That's what we're going to import into the Moodle environment. Next, launch a web browser and log into your Moodle course. Once you've done that, along the left-hand navigation, select Questions and click the Import tab. If you're uploading questions for the first time, you may want to create a new category. And you can do that by clicking the Categories tab. You can just call that Imports or Moodle or ExamView, whatever you'd like. It's up to you. Select the Blackboard Radio button, and remember we have chosen the Import tab. So select the Blackboard Radio button and then choose a category. Then, under the Import from File Upload heading, click the Choose File button, and now you want to navigate to that ExamView folder that you exported from ExamView, remember that, and click on the .dat file, and then select Upload this file. Now that's going to import your ExamView questions into the Moodle environment. Now scroll down to review your questions, and then you can hit the Continue button. Once you've done that, you're done. You've uploaded your ExamView test with your questions, with questions that you've drawn from the Norton Test Bank, the questions that you've edited, and it's now ready to deploy inside of a Moodle test for assessment. That's all there is to it.